Hello guys, good morning. Guys, I know this was too early for me because it was around 4 a.m. in the morning and I had to wake up and help the cow here. So it was giving birth and yeah, we had to wake up early and do this video. So I felt like I should show you at least this amazing part of this journey because you have seen it in my previous video. I was grazing the animals in the village, and I felt like maybe the results, if I've shown you maybe the grazing part of it and everything, I should show you the now the results of us feeding these animals in the village. And I did not feel like I should leave you out on this. It was so important, so I was so happy, guys. And the calf, as you can see here, it had not even had the strength to stand up. So I was just waiting for it to stand up for the first time and give you the experience here from the village. Yeah, I was so happy, and I could not even by the way, it was so early in the morning, I could not even talk, so I just had to record the video so that I could edit some part for you. Yeah, so continue watching the video, and I hope guys you like the video, and maybe you can say something on the comment section. Yeah, I'm so happy. Continue watching the video.